everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our very nice blast from the past, our 1957 Chevy Bel Air with the beautiful glossy red exterior and a red and black interior. This car is probably one of the best cars that I've ever walked through the showroom floor. In fact, this car may be better than the car you could have bought back in 1957. As you do see, they have some of the old pamphlets and books that you would have when you first bought the car, even the little window sticker there. You also have some updated features as to the new and improved cluster, aftermarket 2-style radio with aux, and most of all, vintage AC. But to keep it real and old school, you still got the old-fashioned big wheel here, which you can control basically with your fingers. Got the fuzzy dice there. Got even the little toy model car in the back. But other than that, she cruises like a champ. Power steering is pretty good. Yeah, she's cruising down the road pretty nice. And of course, you can't forget, these cars are very good for space. You got the legroom here, and even with this big wheel, you have the tilt column to really help you out. Anyway, we're gonna get this fine little ride turned around and up on the lift. Please stay tuned to see the underneath.